Welcome back to my channel. And today we are making, maybe you kind of guessed it already, we're making a smoothie. The weather's just so hot. Sometimes people are just overwhelmed with the heat that they don't even want to cook. So you can have like a meal replacement here with a smoothie. And our flavor today is summer flavor peaches and pineapple. So come on, let's make the smoothie together. And here are our list of ingredients for our pineapple peach smoothie. We have our protein powder, we have our sliced frozen peaches, we have our pineapple chunks, also that have been frozen, our collagen, our oat milk, our maple syrup that is infused with vanilla Madagascar, and we have vanilla Greek yogurt. Okay, so we're gonna go in with our, it's no order how you want to put your fruit, but these are frozen peaches. I'm taking about 1 cup. And the reason I'm using frozen peaches is because you want your smoothie to be nice and thick. And when it's frozen, it kind of gives you almost like that slushy, thick feeling. So then we're gonna go in with our pineapples. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to drink this. So this is about 1.5 cups actually of pineapples. Now I will say this to you, please understand, and this is your preference, your choice. I actually put maple syrup as a little sweetener for me. You don't have to, even though these fruits are naturally sweet, but when they freeze, it kind of lose some of its sugar. So again, you can use another type of sweetener if you like a swerve or a monk fruit if you're into that, or agave, or stevia, or regular sugar if that's what you're into, or honey, or nothing at all, to be honest. But it's all up to you, your choice. Add my yogurt, and this is just about 5 ounces of yogurt. I'm going to add the whole thing in here so that I can get my protein from this here. And I'm also going to get another double dose of protein from my scoop. And I'm only going to do 1/2 scoop of the protein powder since I'm getting some protein from the yogurt, Greek yogurt. And that's just so it ties you over more, so you stay a little bit more full. Hence why I'm putting the protein powder in it as well. Just because I want this to kind of liquefy itself a little bit more, since my fruit is frozen, like I said, I'm going to add a little splash of oat milk in it. I'm going to put 1/2 of the protein powder, but I will take a full scoop of collagen, because collagen, honestly, if you're not into it, you may want to reconsider, because it is phenomenal for like any joint issues you may have, inflammation. It is also known to help with beauty, things like your hair, your skin, your nails. So I am not going to skip out on that, honey. I'm going to get myself a full dose of my collagen. And this is what my collagen scoop looks like. And I'm taking it all, baby. And here's my maple syrup. And I'm just going to do 2 tablespoons of this. And a splash of oat milk. That probably was less than 1/4 of a cup. I actually feel that we need to put a little bit more, because I'm looking at how much liquid I have right now in my blender, and that protein powder is kind of thick. So I'm actually going to put a little bit more. Yeah. So to be honest with you, that's about 1 cup of oat milk. Now, again, use what you have at home. If you don't have oat milk, you can use almond milk. You can use coconut milk. If you're into plant-based milks, that's what I drink, any plant-based milk. Or use regular milk if that's what you drink, or skim milk, whatever you drink. All right, so our smoothie is done. Let's see it. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, this is the way I like my smoothie. Super thick, almost feel like I'm drinking a shake. Some people like their smoothies more liquefied. Your choice, you do what you want. If you like it more liquefied, you have to put in more whatever milk you want you use. Okay? I like it super thick, so I am going this route. Oh, look at that. Look at that thickness. Ooh. Almost feels like you drinking some sort of Frosty. Wendy's, don't steal my idea, you hear me? And you know what? This thick is so good, this thick, because you have like some of that iceness from the fruit, and that helps cool you down even more the thicker it is, believe it or not. Look at our wonderful pineapple peach smoothie. Put a little bit of fruit inside as a garnish. And it is so nice and thick, and it's going to be refreshing and filling because of our protein, of our Greek yogurt and our protein powder. Keep us full longer on this hot day. Our vitamin content for our pineapple and peach smoothie is pineapple, B6, C, copper, folate, manganese, potassium, and thiamine. Peaches, E, K, niacin, folate, iron, choline, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, zinc, and copper. Vanilla Greek yogurt, B12, calcium, selenium. Maple syrup, B2, B5, B6, calcium, iron, magnesium, niacin, potassium, riboflavin, and zinc. And our protein powder, B6, B12, riboflavin, thiamine, pantothenic acid, selenium, and zinc. Collagen C, biotin, zinc, and it contains amino acids. And oat milk, A, B, D, thiamine, folate, zinc, magnesium, riboflavin, potassium. Real facts. An estimated 40% of college students face food insecurity currently in the United States. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. So we have our great cool drink made of our pineapple peach smoothie. And I mean, look how thick this is, baby. I hope you can kind of see this. Look how thick this is. So let's sip together. Cheers, my loves. Ooh, that's nice. It's so thick that I gotta take myself some long sips. But I tell you one thing, I most certainly feel a little cooled down already. But let me say this. You can do any flavor you like, but since we're summer, we're feeling the summer love. I thought pineapple and peach would be a great flavor, but you can try this with any fruit flavor you like. And again, it is your option what kind of milk you choose to put in, plant-based, non-plant-based, and what kind of sweetener you choose to put in. Sweetener, no sweetener, syrup, maple syrup, honey, swerve, monk fruit, agave, whatever you want, cane sugar, or nothing at all. I want to thank you so much for coming to sip on some coolness here. With your sister girl right here. And I ask you to come back and join me again. On your way out, don't forget to click the like button by giving me a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out for you today. And as we continue to go forward. And I thank you again for hanging out with me. And if you're new to the family, welcome. I welcome you here with open arms and a great big hug. All right, so hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you know every time I upload a new video. And I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah.